In today's video, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Encfiles. We discovered these Encfiles ransomware while investigating new submissions to the virus total database. This program is a part of the Amnesia ransomware family. The ransomware is capable of essentially damaging the files which people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. So, before the ransomware actually attacks these files, there are no troubles opening them. But the point is that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Encfiles ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and after it is executed on the computer, it begins encrypting files and changing their file names. So pretty soon you will see the damage that was caused by this particular ransomware to the files. It will not be possible to use the files anymore. When you open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file, which the Encfiles extension added. And by the way, the name of these files are also perverted. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get them restored. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So don't ever pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures and remove this ransomware. If you cannot use your regular browsers like Google Chrome, you might consider using Internet Explorer browser to download the anti-ransomware tool we recommend. And we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this special green download button, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and researching your system. Initially, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You need to wait until the scanning is completed. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.